Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error, that is 0x87E10BD0. So if you are receiving this error code while downloading or installing any application or game on Microsoft Store, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to sign out of Microsoft Store and then sign in again. So open Store on your computer, and on the top right here you can see the profile icon. Click on it, then select your account, then click on sign out, and then again click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Select your account, click on continue, enter the PIN or password over here, and once you're logged in, try to install the application or game once again, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now make sure that you're using the right email address to log into your Microsoft account. So go to settings and then click on accounts, and then click on email and accounts. Click on add a Microsoft account and make sure that you enter your email address and password over here, and then log into your Microsoft account, and then you can try to install your application once again. Now the next step is to make sure the date and time is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time and then click on adjust date and time, and then make sure set time automatically and set time zone automatically is on over here. And here you can see synchronize your clock, so click on sync now, and once this is done you can try to install the application once again. The next step is to install another free application from Microsoft Store. So if you are receiving that error code with some other application or games, then try to install any other free application. So you can go ahead and test it. So you can either download Netflix or Amazon. So I'm just trying Amazon Prime. So you can try downloading and installing any other application and check if this is working or not. So click on install. So once the download is complete, you can go ahead and try to install the application or games with which you are facing the problem, with which you are receiving the error code. So once this is done, you can go ahead and try to install that particular application. And the next step is to delete and create this folder. So go to Windows folder, so open File Explorer on your computer, and then go to this PC, open C drive, then open the Windows folder. Now look for this folder, that is AUInstallAgent. So if you find this folder, you simply find it, you make a right click and delete it if you find that folder. In my case it's not there, so if you find this folder, delete this folder. Now in case if you don't find this folder, you can make a right click on an empty space and then click on new and then click on folder, and you will receive do you want to allow, so click on yes to allow, and then you can go ahead and rename this folder as AUInstallAgent. So make a right click and then click on rename and just type in AUInstallAgent and then click on yes to allow. And once you have this folder, go ahead and restart your computer. So after this restart is necessary, so restart your computer and then try to install the application. Still you are facing the problem, you can perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, you can go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services, and then click on disable all, and then click on apply, then click on OK, and then restart your computer and then use Microsoft Store. The next step is to run Windows Store troubleshooter. So open settings on your computer, go to update and security, click on troubleshoot, then click on additional troubleshooter, scroll down, and here you can see Windows Store apps, so click on run the troubleshooter, and once this is done you can go ahead and try to install the application once again, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now the next step is to clear store cache using WS reset command. So copy this command, the command is provided in the video description. So copy this command and paste this command in Windows search box and then click on WS reset, make a right click and then click on run as administrator. This will open the black window, so do not close this black screen, wait for this black screen to go away. it will go ahead and open Microsoft Store. So once this is gone, it will open Microsoft Store. So wait till the time it opens Microsoft Store. So here you can see black screen is gone and it open up Microsoft Store once again. So you can go ahead and try to download the application. The next step is to reset Store app. To reset Store app, you can go to Start menu, then click on Settings, then click on Apps, find Store, and then click on Microsoft Store, then click on Advanced option. Scroll down and here you can see the reset option. So click on Reset, and once the reset is done, launch Store once again, and then you can use the Store. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can go ahead and restart Microsoft Install Services. So you can go ahead and type in Services in Windows search, and then make a right click on Services, then click on Run as Administrator, and find Microsoft Store Install Service over here, and make a double click. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on Apply, OK, and make sure it's running. So if it's not running, you make a right click on Start, or if the start is already done, here in this case start is grayed out, that means it's already running. So click on Restart, and then you can use Store. The next step is to run SFC and DISM command. So open PowerShell. So make a right click on the Start menu, then click on Windows PowerShell Admin, then click on Yes to allow. Copy the first command and paste it on the PowerShell window, and then hit the Enter key. And once the scan is complete, then once the scan is 100, run the second scan. So copy this command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Again, open PowerShell window as an admin. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an admin, and then run the second command. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer, and then you can use Store. The next step is to run this inetcpl.cpl. So you can just type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search, then click on inetcpl.cpl. Go to Advanced tab, and then scroll down and make sure TLS 1.2 is checked. So if this is unchecked, make sure that this is checked, and then click on Apply, OK, and then use the Store. The last step is, if nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. To uninstall, copy this command, open Windows PowerShell Admin. So click on Windows PowerShell Admin, and then click on Yes to allow, and then run the first command, which will go ahead and uninstall Store. So it will get rid of Store, and if you open Store right now, it will not open Microsoft Store. Now restart your computer. After this, restart your computer and then run the second command in PowerShell window. So make a right click on Start menu once again, open Windows PowerShell Admin, click on Yes to allow, paste the second command. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Now it may take a couple of seconds, so just give a couple of seconds, and here you can see Microsoft Store, and then you can start using Store. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of the error. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.